I have Ruth, Ryder, and Ruby out here chasing quail. So I'm doing a little bit of bump and chase drills with
Yes, I
gunshot. Turn my radio off. So I just let a bunch of quail out of the pen, and these guys are having a hoot. So Ruthie's one of our QK certified dogs for sale. Ryder's a dog in training. Ruthie's a dog in training. They are excitedly and actively searching for some birds. Nice cool day today. We had a lot of storms last night, so the temperatures are actually probably in the 70s right now. And even if I shoot, she's actually excited because I've shot birds over her. That was Ruby squealing. So I'm just associating shot with fun since they've been enjoying this. Oh my goodness. Where's the birds? Where's the birds? Good dogs. That's what it's all about, developing bird drive. Ryder's had bird shot over him. Ruth hasn't yet, shotgun shot. Ruby has. So we'll be doing, oh, there we go, bird. Good job, Ruth. I'm gonna pause it and we'll go after that. So, saw a bird flush over here. There she goes, she's on it again. Ruth is, I think she caught it. Letting them have some fun. That's fine, that's what it's all about. They can rip it apart if they want, they can grab it, can always fix that. So, Ryder's got it, bird drive, having fun.